Downloader works just like a web browser. We can enter any URL. For instance, the website we're going to go to, ledbytheunknown.com/downloads. So instead of writing all that in, I have a real short code for you, and it works so much better. 370178. And then we'll hit next. Sports, movies, TV shows, live TV, right here. Click on the first link, click install. HQ, highlight the download arrow, install, and do HD. Down in the bottom right, it'll ask us to install. Check this out, works way better than Unlinked. Follow along, I'll show you how to get it on your device. What's going on, guys? Are you looking for movies, TV shows, live TV, or sports on your Amazon Fire TV stick on applications you can't find in the Amazon App Store for free? Follow along, I'll show you how I put this on my device. Are you looking to do this on your on-streaming device or any other Android devices? The steps are fairly similar. If you have an on-streaming device, follow this link or check out the link in the description below. I'm Lee. I'm here for all your Amazon Fire TV stick needs, tips and tricks, and how-tos. First thing we need to do, hit the find icon, pull down, and in search, we're going to type in downloader. D-O-W, and it comes up really quick here, so we can just click on it, and it brings up this orange icon, and we can click on that. If you don't already own it, get it, download it, and install it. While Downloader is installing, please share this with a friend. Helps out tremendously. Now once Downloader is installed, hit the home button on our remote. We have one option to change. So head all the way over to the settings icon. Hold down. We have My Fire TV. Now if you have an older device, it may be called My Device, or it may be down here. So click on My Fire TV. And as you can see, I have developer options listed. If you don't worry. Highlight About, select it. I have Fire TV stick here, it's the top option to select. Select it about 7 to 10 times on your remote, and now it says no need, now you're a developer, congratulations. We can back out one, developer options will now be available. If it didn't come up, unplug your device for 30 seconds, plug it back in, and it should come back up. So highlight developer options and select it. Here we have ADB debugging, turn it on. Install unknown apps, select it. Look for downloader, turn this on. This gives downloader the ability to sideload applications onto your Fire Stick. This is what people call jailbreaking. You don't jailbreak a Fire Stick, but it's just some term everyone uses, the only one people understand versus sideloading. Now that it's on, hit the home button on your remote. Let's head all the way to the 3 squares plus sign. This is where we'll find Downloader. So the last app that we've downloaded ends up in this screen at the very bottom of our list. If you have a big list, it'll be way down at the bottom. And here we can actually use the 3-line button on our remote. Gives us this sub-menu, and we can push move to the front. When we go home, Downloader's up front here, front and center. This is going to be our new app store, folks. Open up Downloader. Yes, allow Downloader to access photos, media, and files on our device. Downloader works just like a web browser. We can enter any URL. For instance, the website we're going to go to, ledbytheunknown.com/downloads. So instead of writing all that in, I have a real short code for you, and it works so much better. So we have a little cursor here, works just like a mouse. Right, down, left, up. So the little red circle, and then select is our center button, or our left click. When we go up, it'll highlight Downloader. We want to go to the search, so click that. Here it comes up with a keyboard, and we're just going to type in our short code, 370178, and then we'll hit next. There's a short 5-second redirect. Once the page has loaded, find your cursor, make sure it's on the page portion, use our 3-line button on our remote, and here it comes up, add this current page to our favorites. And now we can save it. And now when we use our 3-line button on our remote, or you can use the little buttons up top, we can just click on favorites, and it has it right here for us to click on, and we no longer have to worry about the short code or the URL to type in. here we go. Let's head on down. In this tutorial, some other videos and tutorials, some how-tos, and we can find the applications. While we're here, please get out your phone, scan this QR code, get yourself 80% off and a 30-day money-back guarantee to protect your online security. Our privacy lately has been the most concern, especially online. Get IP vanish, protect all your online security, encrypted end-to-end for whatever you are doing. So here we have all the best apps for 2026. I'm constantly adding applications. Some may not work. If they don't, please let me know in the comments below and I'll update it for you. Sports, movies, TV shows, live TV, right here. Click on the first link. Down on the bottom right, click install. And then we just highlight done and click on it, as we need to delete the installation file, and yes, confirm the delete. When we do these, don't open them right away because we want to make sure our Fire Stick has room for other applications instead of holding the APK file. HQ. Now, I've had a couple questions about this. I wouldn't bother with it, just let it go. If we pull down slowly, it brings up the file to download. Highlight the download error. Highlight the download arrow. And it starts downloading. Then install. Click done. Delete the installation file. Yes, confirm the delete. And we back out once, back out twice, maybe a third time. And we can come back down to the and do HD. Same thing, just slowly come down a little bit. There is a little load up. You wait the 5 seconds. Highlight the download arrow and click on it. Again, same thing, the download starts, downloads the installation file to our device. Down in the bottom right, it'll ask us to install. And guys, please remember, share this with a friend. It really helps out with the algorithm. And then we'll hit done. Delete the installation file. Yes, confirm the delete. And again, double tap it backwards. It should go right back. Remember, check out all the other applications down there. There might be some that will fit your fancy. Let's go back to the home screen and check out where these apps went. So again, we're going to go to the 3 squares plus sign, click on it. And here's these apps that we've just gotten. So we can actually 3-line button, move to the front. As you can tell, it puts it up front, 3-line button HQ, move to the front. And then again, 3-line button AK, move to the front, push the home button. One less application we have to worry about taking up space on our device. What do we need Unlinked for? When you just go in here on the home page and get what you would like. Enjoy. Happy streaming. I'm Lee. I'm here for all your Amazon Fire TV Stick needs, tips and tricks, and how-tos. Enjoy, my friend. Happy streaming.